Hey kids, what do you get when you mix coral reefs, robots, and a secret song that lures in baby coral? Let's dive deep into this story. So, coral reefs, they're like the rainforests of the sea. But here's the sad part. They're turning white and dying because our oceans are getting too hot. Ja Young and Ji Ho, two genius teens from Saipan, saw their own local reef go from colorful to completely bleached. Did they just give up? Nope. These two put their heads together and came up with a great idea. Robotic nurseries to attract baby corals and to give them homes. These modular units start as floating hexagon-shaped cells. Once put in the water, they can link together to make large ocean habitats. Little coral apartments that float on the sea and stick together. And some of them have propellers. So when a storm comes, these coral homes just zoom off to safety with the help of robots. It gets even cooler. These robot homes actually sing, not like Taylor Swift or anything, but with a special underwater melody that can attract the coral larvae onto the structure. This melody creates the sound of healthy corals with soft bubbles and gently sloshing water. When larvae hear it, they'll flock to it as they would to a healthy reef. Ja-young isn't just trying to save what's left. She wants to build a brighter, more colorful future for our oceans. One coral, one song, one robot at a time. Watch Wonder Now for more wild, wiggly wonders.